welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration, and it's with Antonette's Vignettes, and the theme for this month is As Welcome as Mayflowers. Now, her co-host for this month is Rebecca Frazier, Home Decor. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in my description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody else decorated their vignette. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been following me for a while or from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So when I think of the month of May, not only do I think of beautiful flowers, beautiful sounds, I also think of Mom. And so I'm going to go ahead and decorate this vignette for my mom. Okay, so we are almost done. Just need to light the candles, and then we're going to head on over to the vignette. Come on with me, guys. I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Antonette, and the co-host, Rebecca, for hosting this collaboration. So I want to wish all of the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. I hope your day is blessed. This came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.